You ever lie in bed at 2 a.m. staring at the ceiling thinking, tomorrow I'm finally going to get my life together? Then tomorrow shows up, and you're 3 episodes deep into a show you don't even like, scrolling TikTok like your thumb is training for the Olympics. Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not alone. Because right now, there's an entire generation of smart, ambitious young people who are stuck. Not because they aren't capable, but because they're lazy, unmotivated, and can't seem to get their act together. And here's the kicker. It's not your fault, but it is your responsibility. Let me explain. Chapter 1. Why we're stuck. We grew up in the era of instant gratification. Food, Uber Eats, entertainment, Netflix, validation, Instagram, dopamine, one click away. Our brains are hooked on cheap rewards. So when it's time to do something hard, like study, build a business, work out, or even read a book, your brain's like, why bother when I could watch a cat dance to Doja Cat on YouTube instead? So, you're not broken. You're just wired wrong. But the good news? Wiring can be rewired. You just need a system. And it starts with one simple shift. Chapter 2. Discipline isn't a punishment, it's a freedom pass. We've been sold this lie that self-discipline is about forcing yourself to do boring crap forever. But let me ask you this. Who's more free? The guy who hits snooze 5 times, skips the gym, barely makes it to work on time, and feels like garbage all day? Or the guy who wakes up early, works out, crushes his to-do list, and has his entire evening free to chill guilt-free? That's the twist. Self-discipline is the ultimate freedom. It's not about restricting your life. It's about building the life you actually want. Let's break it down. Chapter 3. The system that changes everything. Step 1. Design your non-negotiables. These are 2 to 3 things you'll do every day, no matter what. Work out for 20 minutes. Read 10 pages of a book. Journal 5 minutes before bed. Make them so stupidly easy you can't say no. Remember, you're not building a perfect life. You're building momentum. Step 2. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This destroys procrastination before it starts. It also tricks your brain into action mode. Example, you're lying in bed thinking, I should clean my room. Instead of spiraling, tell yourself, I'll just pick up 1 shirt. Boom, you're moving. Movement creates motivation. Step 3. Delay dopamine. Earn your reward. Don't check your phone until after you've done your non-negotiables. Your brain starts to associate focus with reward, and this rewires your habits fast. But what if I still don't feel like it? Here's a hard pill. You won't always feel like it. Discipline means showing up when you're tired, uninspired, or would rather do anything else. So how do you push through? Chapter 4. Emotion. Logic. Logic is weak. Emotion is power. You don't need more productivity tips. You need a reason so big, so personal, so emotional that you'll crawl through broken glass to get it. Example, you're not just waking up early. You're waking up for your future kids who deserve a dad that's present, not burnt out. You're not building discipline to look good. You're doing it because you're tired of hating the person in the mirror. Find your why and write it down where you'll see it every day, because when the alarm goes off at 6 a.m., your why is what gets you out of bed. Chapter 5. Make failure part of the plan. You will mess up. You'll sleep in. You'll skip the gym. You'll binge Netflix. Cool. Welcome to being human. The trick? Don't miss twice. You skipped today? Fine. But tomorrow, you get up, no excuses. One bad day won't ruin you. Giving up will. Chapter 6. Stacking small wins, or big change. Discipline isn't built in one big leap. It's built in 1,000 tiny decisions. Choosing water over soda, saying no to that 5th scroll, showing up even when you suck. Every time you do the hard thing, even a little, you're building proof. Imagine your life 1 year from now. Let's say you start today. You follow the system. You don't quit. What's your life like in 12 months? You wake up clear-headed. You've got energy. You're proud of how far you've come. You've got money saved, muscles built, and peace of mind that nobody can take from you. Now imagine you don't start. You keep scrolling, keep snoozing, keep putting it off. Where will you be a year from now? Probably right where you are, just more frustrated. Which future do you want? So here's your challenge. Pick one non-negotiable. Do it today. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. Because you don't need a new year. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a decision. Discipline isn't for superhumans. It's for people who are tired of their own excuses. And if that's you, welcome to your new life. It starts now. Hit like if this fired you up. Drop a comment with your non-negotiable. Let's build this life together.